rooms. They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room be all different colors.
Great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul. I am not laughing. I can assure you, I am not laughing at all.
What's that thing they're doing with these baby rooms? They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room.
We moved from cultural nurturing and social conditioning. Then we have grandiosity.
Maybe you look like a divine spirit. You're
Psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil. So we got a lot to talk about, and I hope he's doing all right. I got some texts from him I want to go over.
The theta or the deep delta state, where
This is Robert Downey Jr. I don't know if you were told, but Jeff's not going to be here today,
And I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera.
You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies. You have dramatic situation.
not anymore. Clean sober, many years.
Dude. I mean, so do you drink?
Not anymore.
Dude.
Clean sober, many years. They don't want to ask anymore.
Retract that.
Look, people do what they do.
Do you drink?
And I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
yeah, share the exact same phenomena.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
I heard that you are also. I can assure you.
Intuition are often sort of
Oh, the
subject
freaking cap.
My views a bit to the theta or the show, which is
Physical reality to
I wish you would.
Kind of create a little equilibrium. Do it all.
I have five suede.
I feel you. Let me ask the question.
animism implement a